Good morning, friends. So, you are welcome in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Shubham Rao, and we are studying the Rajakshma, the tubercular disorder which is described in Ayurveda. So, the classical description of Rajakshma in Charak Samhita in Nidanasthan chapter 6 and Chikitsa Asthan chapter 8, and in Sushrut Samhita Uttaratan chapter 41, and in Ashtang Hriday Nidanasthan chapter 5 and Chikitsa Asthan chapter 5, and in Madhav Nidan it's chapter 10. The etiology of Rajakshma: Vega Varod, the suppression of natural allergies which aggravates Vata and ultimately the Dhatu Chaya which causes Rajakshma. Then Chaya, emaciation, loss of Dhatus. Sahasa, excessive exertion, injury. Vismasana, dietary error and malnutrition. Upsarga, infection. These all are causes the Dhatu Chaya in the body and ultimately produces Rajakshma. The Rupa, three features of Rajakshma, the three Rupa. First is Annaparsva Abhitapascha, means the pain and trouble in chest. Ansparsva Abhitapascha, Santapah Karpayudyo, burning sensation in hands and feet, and Jwara, fever. The Sadrupa, six features of Rajakshma are: in Charaka, it is cough, fever, chest pain, hoarseness of voice, anorexia, and diarrhea. And in Susru Samhita, it is the cough, kasa, fever, jwara, breathlessness, swasa, hoarseness of voice, the swarabheda, anorexia, the anorexia is the aruchi, and the hemoptysis, the raktava, chardana. Then the Ekadas Rupa, 11 features of Rajakshma in Charak Samhita. It is cough, fever, chest pain, hoarseness of voice, breathlessness, shoulder pain, hemoptysis, anorexia, headache, nausea and vomiting, and diarrhea ultimately. And in Sushu Samhita, it is same as it is, and but there is a rigidity in the chest and shoulder and the fullness of head, the extra features which is included in the 11th features of Rajakshma. Then the treatment approach in Ayurveda. So here we see the treatment approach by which we can treat the Rajakshma in Ayurveda. The first one is the Nidan Parivarjana, the avoidance of etiological factors, the factor which produces or aggravates the Rajakshma, it should be avoided. Then the Shamshodhana, biopurification, usually it is contraindication, especially Virochana, because in the patients of Rajakshma we have to preserve its stool, because in Ayurveda we can say that the दोष धातु मल मूलम ही शरीरम, means दोष धातु mal are the moolas, the basics of life, sharir. Shamshodhana, biopurification, as we can see, and then the Shamana, internal purification, pacification, the symptomatic management and management of emaciation, loss of dhatus. Management of emaciation, use of meat, soup, alcohol, ghee, other fats which are heavy and have lots of energy in it, health promoting baths, different body building measures, donning of pearl, diamond, etc. Then the symptomatic management, treatment mentioned for jwara, fever, swas, dyspnea, Kasa, cough, pratishay, common cold, answer, shoulder pain, raktisthevan, hemoptysis, atisara, diarrhea should be applied. Then the churna, fine and herbal powder are the Sitopaladi churna, Talishadi churna, Eladi churna, Yavani Shadav churna, Aswagandhadi churna, Draksha churna, Karna Puryadi churna. compounds preparations, tablets, Siva Gutika, Chandraprabhavati, Arogyavardhani Vati, Eladi Gutika, and in Asavarist, Draksha Asav, Kharjur Asav, Pipalyadi Arist, Draksha Rest. These are used, and the compound prepared घृत are medicated घृत, दशमूलादि घृत, खजूरादि घृत, पंचमूलादि घृत, गोक्षुरादि घृत, जीवंत्यादि घृत, चहगल्यादि घृत, बलादि घृत, दौर्बल्यादि घृत, पिपल्यादि घृत, राशनादि घृत, and oils which are mentioned चंदनादि तैल, लक्षादि तैल, चंद्रबला लक्षादि तैल, etc. अवले, you can use the Sitopaladi avle, Chavanpras avle, Vasa avle, Agastya avle, Gud Sarpi. Then the medicated oil we can see earlier. Herbal mineral preparation, these are the herbal mineral preparation prepared from the mercury and other minerals. Lakshmi Vilas Ras, Sringa Brabhasma Ras, Chandramrit Ras, Mrigang Ras, Rajmrigang, Chaturmukh Ras. These all are used in the Rajakshma. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.